Then Senator Joe Biden urged President George H.W. Bush to refrain from making any Supreme Court nominations in that election year. Now, what made 92 different from other election years, Mr. Biden explains, was that divided government reflected an absence of a nationwide consensus on constitutional philosophy. Erin Elmore is a USA Strong Executive Director. Also, Bill McGinley, former White House Cabinet Secretary, are joining us live to break this all down. We're going to jump right into the weeds of it here. But I want to play something first for you, and we'll get your reaction, because there's a big debate about historical precedent here. This is Ted Cruz explaining it over the weekend. Watch.
If you look at history, if you actually look at what the precedent is, this has happened 29 times. 29 times there has been a vacancy in a presidential election year. Now, presidents have made nominations all 29 times. That's what presidents do. If there's a vacancy, they make a nomination. What has the Senate done? And there's a big difference in the Senate with whether the Senate is of the same party of the president or a different party of the president. When the Senate has been of the same party of the president, a vacancy occurs in an election year. Of the 29 times, those are 19 of them. Of those 19, the Senate has confirmed those nominees 17 times. So if the parties are the same, the Senate confirms the nominee. When the parties are different, that's happened 10 times. Merrick Garland was one of them. Of those 10, the Senate has confirmed the nominees only twice.
Bill, I'll start with you on this. There's a lot to learn. There's a lot of information. A lot of people are wondering, can this actually go through? What are your thoughts there? Senator Ted Cruz, laying it out in historical precedent there.
Senator Cruz is spot on.
Party lines, your thoughts?
The Constitution is crystal clear. And the Republican National Committee yesterday released a video, and it was amazing. It used the Democrats' words against him in 2016 when they were talking about replacing Judge Scalia. Let's start with Joe Biden. He said, "The American people deserve a fully staffed court of 9. Our friend Hillary Clinton. The president nominates and the Senate advises and consents. They go forward with the process." Nancy Pelosi. What we are seeing here is a disrespect for the Constitution. And rest her soul, Ruth Bader Ginsburg herself said, refusing to vote on Obama's nominee, people should recognize that a president is elected for 4 years, not 3. There were also similar comments from Tim Kaine, Bernie Sanders, Elizabeth Warren. Their words can be used against them here. The president has a constitutional obligation, plain and simple, period. I think they vote. Now, there are issues with people in highly contested Senate races, and there are people like Joe Manchin, who often votes with the opposite party, and people of that nature. This could really be an interesting vote and a toss-up, but I think that the president should get on with the party and pick a nominee.
Would be named by Friday or Saturday following the funeral services for Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Erin Elmore, Bill McGinley, good to see you. Thanks so much for your time. We appreciate it. All right, stay with